February the 28th, 2021. Because we got some high wind and some cold air and warm air, like I talked about here in Mississippi in the video earlier. It is down to 81 degrees now. But the cooler air north of Mississippi coming down towards Kentucky and Tennessee is clashing. And we've got tornado watches up for Arkansas, North Mississippi, into Tennessee, and up into the very southwestern areas of Missouri and western Kentucky, right here in this map, guys. In the area here, going back into Texas, up into Arkansas, and touching the very southeast corner of Oklahoma, you've got severe thunderstorm watches. The thunderstorm warnings here in central Arkansas. And so this is going to go on through the night. It's going to move up the Appalachian chain, guys. So we're going to look at the satellite imaging radar, and you'll see the movement of the storm, and you need to pay attention to it. This time of the year, it's pretty warm down south, just complete 180 from last week, being way too cold for the south. Now it's pretty warm for February. Again, it was 83 earlier in the highs, 85 somewhere around there, now down to 81 degrees. So it's warm, and we've got a brisk wind that's pulling Gulf moisture up your way. So again, thunderstorms, lightning, tornadoes. I'm going to switch over to the radar and satellite images so I can get the video up, guys. You keep an eye on this tonight. Now, this is AccuWeather, and it's a computer projected path of the storm. It goes up to 5:30 p.m. Central Time. That would be 6:35 on the East Coast, guys. So, again, you can see that in your timestamp. Let me pull it up. You can see that you have snow off the Great Lakes into Canada, and very up in the northeast, you're starting to see a mixture of ice and snow along that area. But most of this across the nation is going to be rain and thunderstorms. Get as close as we can pull this in here. So you can see coming out of Texas, going into Oklahoma, Arkansas, and moving up from there. These yellow and red areas. Here's Jonesboro, and this is north of Memphis. Memphis looks like you're going to be under the gun before this is over with. Again, this is a time, it's a computer simulation of where the storm is moving at. Little Rock, you're going to be under the gun before it's over with. We are expected to get rain here within the next 20 minutes or so in central Mississippi. It's nothing like it is up north, but all of us in this area just watch for pop-up thunderstorms and things like that. But it's still warm in most of this area, but the clash point is here. Notice south of Louisville, Bowling Green, you're going to be in there, Charleston, Parkersburg, just south of you, most of them. This is going to be headed to D.C., Roanoke, Virginia, Richmond area overnight. Check that out. Guys, again, I'm going to keep it short. If you're in this area, you're under a tornado watch. You got severe thunderstorm warnings in Arkansas, in the Oklahoma area. So just pay attention to it and keep your weather radio on and your TV, whatever you've got. Make sure you got some kind of alert if the radar starts picking up rotation. It's a heads up, guys. Be safe.